Hello friends, in rainy season, plants bloom very well because of rainwater consists of the required amount of carbon which helps to unlock the micronutrients present in the soil around the plants. These micronutrients can be zinc, manganese, copper and magnesium. These necessary micronutrients aid in the rapid growth of plants. Micronutrients contains great for your plants and garden. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium and sodium have all been detected in rainwater. Rainwater is known to certain many nutrients for your plants. Rainwater is a natural nutrients for your plants. Thank you.